Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will talk about filming and preparing videos. If you are an amateur watching pranks and funny videos on YouTube, why not start filming one using your cell phone camera or shooting a funny scene? You can sell it to break.com and get up to $500 per video. Or invest the video via Break CPM or cost per mile and show customized ads on your videos within YouTube, which will yield you much more material than using Google AdSense. All you have to do is shoot a funny, sarcastic or inspiring video with clear quality and then raise it on your YouTube and add a site within the association of the vault, which is for thevault.com. Now, to avoid after adding video editors will be watching, and if approved you will get paid. Let's look at their website. It has a very simple interface, thevault.break.com/selling. You can come, as you can see, first capture, record something funny, edgy, amazing or newsworthy. Second thing, upload your video to break.com or YouTube and enter the URL in the box below here. You can upload it here, by the way, not just on YouTube. Third, our acquisition team will review your submission, and if it meets our requirements, one of our licensing experts will contact you within 48 hours. As you can see, this is the submitting area. This is their channel or their website, break.com. You can simply upload your video by clicking here and creating an account, or you can upload it to YouTube. You will get a link that looks just like this link. Then come here, paste that link, yes, then send that video. That's it. Once you click send, it will ask you for your break.com user information for the account that you created. They will review it, and once featured or approved, you will start making money from this video. That's it for this lesson. It's very simple, very straightforward. It can make you lots of money using videos that you already have on your YouTube channel, and you will receive a message on your email and on your channel on YouTube from one of the representatives of the site break.com, and even get paid for the video. They will send you a message with the text, "Thank you for submitting your videos, it's approved," or something like that, and you will start seeing money. If they like the video so much, they can pay you $100 or $500 for that video. It's simple, it's straightforward, it doesn't need any work from your part. You might already have a video that is viral on YouTube. You can submit it to break.com and get paid even more. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board. We are here to help you. This is Money Makers.